You picked up the money.
So what else should we do? Do we have to return it?
Hey, no. I mean, let's do half now.
Oh no. Okay, 500 is yours and 500 is mine.
Thank you so much.
Let's go. Hello, sister. What are you doing here?
I came here for interview. And you guys?
You will give interview. Jyotisi, she has brought this file as if it has many degrees into it. And you know what I think? That you will not need a resume for the job you have come here for.
By the way, for which job interview you are here?
Jyoti, why are you asking her? You should ask me this. You don't need to give an interview inside, okay? I'll take your interview, okay? 1 minute. Take it, sister. Now give me interview.
What will I do with it?
Hey, start mopping it.
What nonsense is this?
Hey, what is nonsense in this? You have come here for this job, no? You have come to sweep and mop. If you will work properly, then I'll go inside for interview. And I will tell sir that you are doing good work. You keep her. And why bother sir for small things, no?
See? Stick with your business. I came here to give HR's interview and will give it and then go. Really? HR and she? Hey, listen. For HR's post, na, they need my type girl. Good looking, intelligent. Looking at your personality, it feels like maid, and you need the job of HR.
Look, sister, if you go inside, you will be insulted. It's none of your use. You will listen to people. And it will be better you go from here only, okay?
I came here to give interview and will give and then go. Leave na yaar Sagar. She wants to get her insulted, so let it be. When she will come outside crying na, then she'll come to know. And yes, HR's post job I'm going to get.
Swara.
Yes, coming.
She has to come back here.
It will be fun to look at her face when she will come out.
You are right. Sagar, Jyoti. Sir, actually, can I ask you something? Yes, go for it. Sir, a girl came inside. She neither went out nor she is here. So, where is she, sir? Oh, Swara, she is in washroom.
HR's job and was just faking up.
Yes, I told you that she has come for the job of a maid. She is cleaning sir's bathroom inside. What happened? Is there any problem? No, sir. We were just talking about the fact that the girl does a very good job.
Yes, sir. Keep her on the job.
Oh, really?
What happened? Why are you so much surprised?
You were.
I was looking like a maid, and suddenly how much this much change?
I'll tell you. She is my wife, Swara. Along with you all, she also came here to give interview. But I told her to come up with a simple look, so that along with interviewing you, I can also interview your humanity. And not only this, the money that she dropped it intentionally. So it is clear that both of you are not honest. And secondly, you don't respect people. And thirdly, you judge others by their clothes. So no one will give job to people like you in their company. Sir, please forgive us. And sir, we did not know that she is your wife. If you had known this, you would have talked her properly, treat her properly, and also returned her money, right?
I'm sorry, sir. I really need this job. For this job, I have already left my last job.
And why is that so?
Because, sir, I thought I will surely get job here.
You also have overconfidence. Sir, please, sorry, sir. I am sorry for not being able to give you a job. So both of you take out the money, put it on the table, and take your resume and leave from here. Sir, go, just leave. They did not get the job. So this job is yours. Congratulations and welcome to the Loonto.in.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir.
Husband.